Not all children are happy to get a new mom, especially when she's younger than you. Things have changed a lot in life. Ashley isn't the only person her dad drives to college anymore because he has a new girlfriend. Let me help you, honey. Study hard and get straight A's, okay? The lovers seem to be getting carried away. Who's going to help Ashley? Hey, did you forget about me? Things used to be different. Bye, Dad. Oh, yeah. See you later, Ashley. It's so hard to say goodbye. Family problems can wait. It's time to focus on school. Guys, meet your new classmate. This is Courtney. Is this some kind of joke? Ashley, we are going to be inseparable from now on, at home and in college. Are you excited? What's there to be excited about? Everything looks good. I can't wait for Courtney to get here. Tyler is ready for the most important step of his life. He is so excited. It would be nice to practice. Okay, let's put the table over here. And then I'll get down on one knee and propose. What's Daddy doing? Oh no! It looks like a marriage proposal. And we'll hide the ring under the pillow for now. Oh, I think that's Courtney. It's showtime. Ashley won't let Daddy make this mistake. Courtney is definitely not the right one for him. What ring? There was no ring. Just this cute little spider. Time to leave the crime scene. There's the happy couple. Careful, honey. And now open your eyes. Oh, Tyler. This is so romantic. Thank you. Anything for you, honey. It's now or never. I have to ask you something. Courtney, will you marry me? She really wanted to say yes, but Courtney is scared of spiders. This is no time for romance. Where's that monster? I need to kill it with a pillow. Tyler, I'm scared. I'm leaving. I don't get it. How could this happen? We'll have to postpone the big question until later. It's family movie night. I love this movie. Don't you, babe? It looks like they forgot to invite Ashley, and her favorite spot on the couch is taken. Ashley, get in here. There's plenty of room. Oh no, she'll sit here, just like before, and Courtney can move. Now we can enjoy the movie. Hey, Courtney, you want some popcorn? First you take my dad, and now you're going after the popcorn? You can't have it. Hands off. All right, don't get upset. Here's your popcorn. I'll teach you to take my spot, but nothing can stop love. Oh, yeah? Just you wait. Daddy, I'm going to lie down here, okay? Courtney, when are you going to understand that you're the third wheel? You don't belong on this couch. Back off. That's what hurt feelings do. It was such a good day at college today. Tyler, it's me. Where are you? Can you believe I got an A on my test? Honey, you are so smart. I'm proud of you. And a diligent student deserves a gift. A brand new car. This is for you, Courtney. Oh, Tyler, you are so thoughtful. Why are you hugging? It's just an A+. Daddy, I got a bunch of excellent grades. Oh, it's you, Ashley. Let me see. Good for you. I'm proud of you. No way. A kiss isn't enough. Where's my present for my good grades? Yeah, sure, sweetie. Here's your candy. Daddy's very busy right now. The test drive won't wait. Ashley always makes pancakes with her dad on Fridays. It's a tradition. The pancake batter is almost ready. That smells delicious. Be patient, Dad. We'll eat soon. But why wait? Courtney is already taking care of everything. We're having pizza for dinner tonight. This is delicious. Daddy is very happy. And we can eat pancakes later. Courtney ruined it again. Stay subtle. but Ashley would love to put dough on her head. This is getting good. Grandma has stopped by for a visit. Courtney hasn't met Tyler's mom yet. She needs to make a good impression on her. Granddaughter, this is all for you. I think Grandma has bad eyesight. She thought Courtney was her granddaughter. You are such a nice girl. Wait, something's wrong. Kids change all the time, of course, but not to that extent. Let's check the picture. No, that's definitely not Ashley. What are you, an imposter? Give me back my granddaughter. Tyler is just in time. Mom, what are you doing? That's Courtney, my fiance. Put that down. I told you, we're getting married soon. Young people, you never know what they are up to. Where's my granddaughter? Meeting Tyler's mother clearly didn't go well. Ashley has more than just textbooks and notebooks in her locker. Oh, Michael, you're perfect. Someday we'll be together. But strangers can't see this, especially not Courtney. Her locker is full of romance, too. Oh, Tyler. Soon we'll be married and then we'll be together forever. Oh, no. This isn't for the faint of heart. Courtney and Ashley go to the same gym, but they try to stay away from each other. And there's Brandon, the local hot guy. You can't take your eyes off him. He's so strong. He's a champion. Wow. And his socks are awesome. Tyler would look good in those too. Did you see that, Ashley? His socks are so cool. Tell me about it. I could look at him forever. Wait, we're supposed to be enemies. No gossiping together. Moving on with the workout. Dad is taking a break. He's getting comfy on the couch and having a snack. Oops, I need to get this shirt cleaned now. Ashley and Courtney are rushing to help. That's my stain. No, it's mine. Daddy, I'll clean it. No, I'll clean it. I can do it better. Tyler is in trouble. The girls are fighting. Oh, here we go. It's over. At least now everyone gets a stain. But Tyler will have to buy a new shirt. And the girls are still fighting. And each one has her own way of doing the laundry. They can't agree on this either. Ashley and Courtney will never agree. Another fight is about to begin. Calm down, girls. What is it this time? The daddy's not wanted here. The girls can take care of themselves. Those fights break his heart. Oh, my heart. Ow, it hurts. Help me. I can't take it. Oh no, Daddy. Tyler, honey, hold on. We should make up for a while. You get the pillow. I'll get the blanket. I think it worked. But the show must go on. Caring for Tyler will bring them closer together. Where do we start, Courtney? I know. A thermometer and some medicine. What have we done? We made Daddy sick. I wish he'd get better. The little trick worked. Finally, it's the day we have all been waiting for. I now pronounce you man and wife. Yay! It finally happened. Where's Ashley? She's already here. She's here to congratulate the newlyweds and introduce them to her new boyfriend. Daddy, Courtney, this is the love of my life. Yeah, he's like 30 years older. But does that matter? Looks like she's following her dad's example. Did you like our new video? What do you think of Ashley's new boyfriend? Tell us in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. Don't miss all the fun stuff on Troom. Wow!